Good. An R6?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Heck yeah. What brings you in today?
I was just pulling over to mess with my phone real quick. Yeah.
All right, man. No,
Yeah, sorry about that.
No,
I mean, I do like the Supra, but
yeah,
can't afford it.
Yeah, they're expensive for sure.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, enjoy your bike.
Thank you.
Get a ride in on a nice day.
Oh, yeah. I had a feeling that was going to happen. Literally right as I was about to leave, too. Because I just started recording. Turned on right as he came up to me. That works out with timing. Yeah, like I told him, today we're going to be buying this Supra. Because that's pocket change. What, like 50K? Easy. No, I'm just kidding. I'm poor as shit. So I can't afford that. I was trying to mess with him, but I don't think he was paying attention. I think that guy was just trying to do his job and be a salesman, but trust me, bro, I can't afford shit right now. I would love to have a Supra. But I'm also not one of those people that's like, oh my god, Supra's the best car ever. He was right though. It is a beautiful day. I forget how I worded it. But it is a very nice day. Unfortunately, just way too much traffic. That was a bad time to only have one hand. I really hope most of, if not all of these vehicles go straight. Gee, I sure hope this van doesn't turn really soon. Oh, it worked. Look at that. Reverse psychology. Now we're just down to one car. So do I pass them? Or... that was my chance, dude. There's another passing zone up ahead, so I should be good. Because I'm definitely going to take this lady on a nice dinner to Applebee's if she doesn't speed up. I'm not going slow on this road. It's very pretty and scenic, but it's also slightly twisty, so I want to enjoy it. Yep, I'm doing it. This road wasn't so bumpy, because then I'd be more confident in going fast on it. But I keep hitting little bumps. This is one of those towns you see in like Netflix shows or some movies where literally everybody knows each other. So like as soon as you move in, you have like 6 different people talking about it at the post office or the grocery store or whatever. Like I feel like this is one of those little areas. Like, oh, did you hear Richard's going to Japan or whatever? I don't know, I ruined it, sorry. I was thinking of the movie Pet Sematary where they were leaving the small town to join the Peace Corps. So that's where I started off with it, but then I didn't want to say the exact same thing, even though I just explained it anyways. I'm gonna shut up. Don't try this at home, I am not a professional. You know, screw it, I'm gonna go straight. There's nothing for me this way. Last time I went this way, I wrecked my car. But I'm gonna go straight because I don't want to be stuck behind that person. As far as I know, there's no way to get home. without turning around, but we're going this way. So it's very scenic. Fucking lane. What are you, drunk? I hope you're not drunk. It's like 3:30. There he goes again. Go ahead. Just go the whole way over. Might as well. Oh, you're gonna get back in? Good job. Good boy. Oh, there he goes. Right back over. I hope he goes straight. Based on the brakes, I'm gonna assume he's not. Of course he's going the way I want it to. Fuck it, I'm following him. That way, if he wrecks and hits anybody, I have him swerving all over the road on camera, so I can show it to the police. Help whoever he hits. Still in the dead center of the road right now. Yeah, there's no lines, but like you still know. Move over. Move over. There's other people on the road. Driver. You just keep going the same direction I want to. This is convenient, I guess. See how many times they cross the line up here too. Well, they're on it. They got off. Good job. And back over it. Good job. Back on it. This is probably going to be the rest of the video. Is me following around this horrible driver and mocking them. Still on the line. There's a whole bunch of road right here. You could just move over. That's all I have to do. You don't have to be on the line like you are right now. I wish there was a passing zone up here so I could just pull up next to him. And back on the line. Almost over it, but not quite. There we go. Are we getting over it? Ah, almost. Let's get a little closer. Better view. Oh, we're on it. We're on it. We're over. We're over. Yeah, let's go. Passed it again. Good job. Proud of you. Now they're staying in line because there's cars in Italy. Good job. Good job. Yeah, look at you. You're doing a good job. Ooh. Look at you in between the lines. You're gonna get a sticker when you get home. This feels like if you guys play GTA, if you ever just pick a random car and get behind them because you're that bored that you just follow around a random NPC to see like where they end up, and they just drive forever. They don't like have a destination. They just drive in circles pretty much. That's exactly what this feels like. Except this one can't stay between the lines. They just swerve all over the place. Oh, there they go. Even here. They've got, okay, I'm pulling up. I gotta see this. Old man should not be driving. Well, that was a perfect example of why I think people need retested for their driver's license. One of the many reasons I think that, but once you hit a certain age, you should have to retest just to make sure you're still capable. That's a good video example of it. Oh, I'm gonna miss the green arrow. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that one. I hope that was entertaining. Okay, I'm gonna have to sit this side anyways, so I'll slow it down. But hope that was entertaining for you guys. As I try not to cough. I hope you liked it. Got some fall scenery in. Got a guy that shouldn't be on the roads. Some fun. I almost said speeding, but I don't do that. So just other stuff. What are you staring at, guy? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time, which is hopefully tomorrow. I'll find out later. But thanks for watching.